Hi, I'm Shonnie Alridge, your favorite real estate broker here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm actually in Locust Grove in McDonough, Georgia, visiting a DRB community called Flakes Mill. So we're going to go have a look at this McKinley behind me and see what all the fuss is about. Let's go. Welcome to Flakes Mill, a DRB Homes community in Locust Grove, Georgia. The McKinley offers 3,860 square feet. The current sales price is $535,000. The homeowner association is $500 a year. This home offers 4 to 5 bedroom option, a large owner suite with a sitting area, and a luxurious owner suite bathroom. There's a rear patio, 2-car garage with 3-car option. Enjoy the tour.
Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely model home, the McKinley here in Flakes Mill. Listen, when you're talking about navigating new construction, you don't want to go at it alone. You want to have representation. The builder has their representation, which are their sales agents, and you want to have someone to represent your interests as well. Let me put my 20 years of industry experience to work for you. I can leverage my relationships to make sure that you have a very lovely experience in your transaction. If you're moving here from out of state, no worries. I can take care of you. You're just fine. If you already live in Georgia and you want to find a new place to relocate, no worries. We have you as well. Listen, these new construction communities are the place to be. They're beautiful, they're new, and they're so spacious. So why not take advantage of their incentives? If you are an educator, there are incentives for you. If you are a first responder, same as well. So listen, give me a call. My information is right here. You can call me, email me. You can also find me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel because I have more videos coming of beautiful new construction homes that are up and coming that will be perfect for you and your family. I can't wait to work with you. We'll see you soon.